Gospel music is at the root of our music. Soul music, because we both grew up in the Bronx listening in our homes to soul music. And just a grateful spirit.
You say a grateful spirit. Is that what sort of ingredients you put into your lyrics, into the feeling, into the rhythms?
I would say so. Wouldn't you?
A lot of love. A lot of love. And it's based there, and through that it just kind of just generates through the spirit, and it just boom.
It's love for the music, love for the people, love for everyone. We would like to have more love in the world, and we believe why we sing is to make the world a better place. So it starts right there with an open spirit.
And we express it through our songs,
Yeah.
because they mean a lot. Songs, they speak to you. The music even speaks even harder. So combine the music with the lyric, it's just electrifying at that point.
And it's a new duo. Have you got lots of new stuff in the churning, in the making?
Yeah, we have a big old pot at Daptone, and we got a whole bunch of songs in there, and we stirring them up.
Doing it. You know how you do a nice little pop salad?
Little seasoning, and they're over there just seasoning up the stew.
Yeah, and put a little bit of herbs and spices
Smelling good
on
over
it,
at
and it's gonna be
Daptone.
voila.
It's smelling good at Daptone right now. They're saying tentatively the record may be out at the beginning of next year, like February, March. And we have a 45 out now. Hot Shots, the A-side.
Right.
Gonna Make
Gonna Make
Time
Time.
is the B-side.
Yeah.
And we're just letting that ride. It's been very well received. We'd like to say thank you to each and every person who listens, buys the record, supports us. We just want to say we thank you from the bottom of our hearts.